Hello friends, cause of wheel bearing failure. They are made from material that can withstand just crazy load. Thanks to this, for the 120 or more thousand kilometers, but sometimes the period of reduced and moreover significantly. Wheel is the main reason for reducing the service life of the wheel bearing. Frequent hits of the wheel in the pit of the high speed. Loss of lubricant, incorrect tighten when replacing, pressing curve when replacing, and so, if the car gets into the hole with the wheel and even at high speed, the wheel bearings, like the entire suspension itself, experience huge loads, not to say overloads. And if this happens often, helps car due permanently. Carefully driving significantly extends the life of many and very different part of the car, including the wheel bearing. If the protective and other are damaged, then grease flow out of the inside of the bearing and the bearing die. Therefore, when replacing the hub, you need to make sure that the protective elements are installed correctly and are not damaged during the installation process. As for improper tightening, this is a reason that belong to the completely or specialists who replace wheel bearing. If you tighten the bearing too much, it can overheat, which negatively affect its life. Well, distorting when pressing the wheel bearing leads to the fact that the load that the bearing perceive and distributed unevenly, and this leads to uneven wear. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.